If your Instagram feed looks like a travel magazine, you're ready for Dubai. Day 1, you touch down in Dubai. Settle into your hotel, then head to Dubai Marina. Stroll along Marina Walk and maybe hop on a boat tour to soak in the skyline. End your day with dinner overlooking the marina. Day 2 kicks off with the iconic Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. Next, uncover history at Dubai Museum and wander through the old Bastakiya district. Evening, dive into the vibrant Gold and Spice Souks in Deira for dinner. Day 3 is all about adventure with a desert safari. Experience dune bashing, camel riding and a magical evening with dinner and stargazing. Day 4, relax at the pool or hit up Dubai's thrilling theme parks. Your choice. Day 5, take a day trip to Abu Dhabi. Visit the stunning Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque and Saadiyat Island. Return to Dubai for a memorable farewell dinner. Day 6, squeeze in a visit to Miracle Garden or Global Village if time allows, then off to the airport for departure. Ready for an adventure? Dubai awaits.